My name is Miss Campbell, and I'm going to show you how to do a New Year's craft with your classroom. This is the cover sheet of the activity. It says My New Year Goals. On this sheet, there are scaffolded lines so that you and your scholars can discuss the topics here. So the first box says, I will continue to. The second one says, I will work harder to. Third one, I will show kindness by. And the fourth one, I will challenge myself to. So these are just conversations that you can have, and they can use this to organize their thoughts. Once they organize their thoughts, they write a paragraph here.